Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the monitor can pivot. Many use a built-in swivel or a VESA mount. Once done, unmount cables gently and remove the monitor from its stand if required. You should have tools ready, screwdriver and VESA plate, plus a soft surface to avoid scratches. Make sure to note current resolution and orientation so you can restore settings if needed. This first step prevents damage and sets you up to perform a smooth physical rotation without surprises. Now rotate the monitor to portrait. Align mounting holes, secure fasteners, and ensure the screen is stable. This avoids wobble. Once in place, reconnect power and video cables, routing them with ties to prevent pull-on ports. You then power on and open your operating system display settings so the OS detects the change. Windows, Mac OS, and many desktops will show a preview. If resolution looks off, adjust it now to match the native vertical resolution for sharp text and accurate scaling. Finish by changing orientation to portrait in your OS display settings and set the native resolution and scaling so text and UI elements are comfortable. You should also move the taskbar or dock and reorganize app windows to suit vertical layout. Recalibrate color if accurate hues matter. If the monitor isn't detected or appears rotated incorrectly, try reconnecting cables, restart the graphics driver, or roll/update the GPU driver. If problems persist, check the mount alignment and consult the monitor manual for model-specific steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.